Zamfara State Governor Abdulaziz Yari on Friday claimed victory over one of the rulings in the case instituted over the conduct of primaries by the state branch of the All Progressive Congress (APC). While the Federal High Court in Abuja affirmed the powers of the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) to refuse the party's candidates in the election following the lack of compliance to rules, a Zamfara State High Court on the same day validated the Congress conducted by the Yari-led faction of the APC. Speaking to State House correspondents in Abuja on Friday, the governor thanked God for answering our prayers of seeking for justice. He said, "You remember sometimes in October, we have been struggling whether there were primaries or not in Zamfara State with INEC, even though we believed that we had undergone all the processes, and today, God did it once again for us by giving us victory." The court accepted that Zamfara APC conducted its primaries and based on the witnesses presented in court. So, we Zamfara people are happy with the outcome, and we thank the Department of Justice and the judges who stood on their ground to ensure that justice is granted. The governor said the judgment had not come late as many other cases remained in court even as the elections approach. According to him, it is not too late. Some of us that were given opportunity or encouraged by the president to go and seek for justice, some of them are still in court. So, this victory for today is not late. I can tell you in the entire Nigeria, Zamfara is one of the states that APC is sure of 90%. Read also, PDP kicks over suspension of Onogun. If I decide today not to go back to Zamfara, you will see what will happen on 16th of February because people are waiting. How can a system, which has been running since 1999, and just overnight, you want to scrap them aside in order for them not to participate in the election? That is unfair. He affirmed that there were two positions enunciated by the Zamfara court judgment. He said, "But let me also thank INEC because there are two conflicting statements, one national, one state." The state INEC went round and conducted and supervised as allowed by law. Unfortunately, the INEC of the national did not wait to receive the report of the Zamfara state INEC represented by the REC. And they went ahead to give the pronouncement, but anyway INEC came to court to say they witnessed the APC primary election and we secured certified true copy from INEC and presented to the court. That I think is the document that supported the court in their processes to pass the judgment. So, we thank God for giving us this victory and we attribute this to justice. Some people have been saying that the reign of Governor Abdulaziz Yari is over, but I believe the Almighty God can give power to whosoever He desires to give it to, and He will sustain the power for whomsoever He desires to have it. On the seeming conflicting judgments from the two courts, he also explained, there are two judgments. One party has gone to court here in Abuja seeking that they should be given right to write names and submit to INEC, and the judge said, "What madness, what is the use of INEC? We court judges and the Act Section 87 is very clear. What the party said they were looking for, they have done primaries in consensus." He said the party which went to Abuja court did not have any legal consensus. Tags, Zamfara State Governor Abdulaziz